Aseng'encho yokorigeri chi project chi serikali mono chiri chiarenge koba financed ne serikali ya Kuwait. So tuanzira ko West Mugirango sobo musike Steve Mugaka tuenda tuaita North Mugirango wonte te cross to ndo chibora mambi to ndo chibogi tutu. So inere sababu ya gara tuaita, lakini kubwa mono otuwa make decision oichase university ye kwagachuga igakiabonyo kero mumaete na eye is one of the biggest projects ego chakarashikune serikali ya ito ekoirange 3.9 billion Kenya shillings. So chiba sia bikirwa se NCMA go chagas bakoroish ochirange 200 million. And then to one school ya secondary ga gatonyi agaje ujimatali mwaro che contractor nekorde nero so that tonyi sukie no any project ile kwa gacho na Kuwait iliko nyore president ya ite kabeke liga na lio borosororo hata hiyo tutaipeleka huko chini ndio wana igo aina ramanga na toleta gaiga muma ito musko Patrick Osero ningo mudia wakwan biamo ni jirani saa
biamo kabisa ute tari burabu tari terera wacha wae kota abantu nabamo umaito mongina bweso tenene abumburabu na injega igana utumugirango ndo kota abantu nabamo yes so pare ikotenera mugutumia mwenzi kurunyaramba gucha iganera wono twaje kurigereri gano muchumbo oyo erinde president gegocha gocha utokumbori naki aki university yana gutwara te tware kapara kiramu ngakere jingu
oyo Patrick Osero mumanyete umusikenara umongi na Jerusha mumanyi nene tigatukwana
abantu baminto ba North Mugirango na burabu ensemo abakwani mbia muri igo twacha rero aseng'encho emeremeri mwatotomete twaetire kurumambia kurigereria ng'aiye serikali ebegete chibese naende ngigia korekiro twakorere igase university eye tokorera botuko na mubaso tutagetebe echake gokora igase naende twamanyire kubanyora ndoche naino mubwata maiga sana irinde university yeba igo togosaba ng'a Nyasaye tokonye omwaka oyoronya konyarekana university yere toreta abana bachaka gosomera. Tari vaigo? Mimi ninawapenda, tunawapenda, si tumekuja hapa several times. Hapa tumekuja na tutakuja mpaka tuhakikishe ya kwamba yale ambayo tunataka yametendeka. Kwa hivyo asante sana, mimi ni mama yenu, mama county, mama ambaye anaenda kuwa gavana ya Nyamira. Si mnajua hivyo? Asante, Mungu awabariki.
Voigo ntolino musike Steve Mugaka mujumbo West Mugirango. Nera tago tukwani?
Abakoba ita maiga ya mbiyamura naende ndoke ngori chumbe igubono enda gusoborito bwa magenderero aiga gusi oboritobo igobo guchagoto umwana mutienyo 8 2027 Mutagetende yewe mutagetende yewe ikatutarire bono twae risosa twae chinsaga turi ndoboritobo ekero mwana oya gocha gosoka tokogenda 2027 togende buna mashujaa twaikiria magendero gusi nkoberebo yurenda karo togocha koigoraga iga montika sikona incheni nagorire suti ngocha koigorere genteke ndeta abana ba West iga tote bikere kabirere ta abana university akiabonyo yeso tigato seseni
omosikegi sairo mujumbe njugote njugote
Joma ta don't support this project.
Omosike Clive Gisairo
Biamore. Na okire ko baba. Goeta twarenge round. Koligera this project cha Kuwait. Twaikirega na ande twagokire gasi genderete. Bali boyo. Mujumbo yene gasi akora ne gasi ngia. Kindly mumusire kendaraga ni mumusire sawa sawa. He is really fighting kubarwanirira sana. Nyane kero chinga kichire chinkongu na bagotena nainu. Kwa hivyo nainu motenene nere to make sure agendera kubaretera amagendero na umongi natabate beti gyakuri nero muramutike maega wabwatesi na ibagendera kubarwanira na incha nonda mona barabu wapiganie torenga abantu baito ngonya gokonya kabari. Asanteni sana.
Goigon tubwate kwerende director, county director of education. Nere host, nere na batoko mwali bagelinda tukwan.
Hamjambo wananchi. Kwa majina naitwa Joshua Kaga. Mimi ndiye mkurugenzi wa elimu hapa Nyamira na nina furaha sana kuwa hapa siku ya leo. Kwa vile yale maono tulikuwa nayo kitambo kama miaka miwili iliyopita wakati tulikuwa tunasema tutataka kuanzisha university imefika. Naona matingatinga iko hapa, contractor yako kwa site. Tunafurahi sana kuona hata tunaambiwa miezi 9 ikiisha jengo litakuwa hapa na tutakuwa na university. Hiyo ni manufaa makubwa sana, ni maendeleo makubwa sana kwa sehemu yetu na sehemu ya elimu kwa jumla. Kwa hivyo wananchi, najua mtanufaika sana na kwa kazi na mambo mengi ambayo yataendelea na university. Kwa hivyo tu support university na hiyo ni maendeleo kwetu kwa idara ya elimu na kwa community kwa jumla. Asanteni.
So we started this project after we did the groundbreaking last year. We did have there are some documents that we didn't have in the tools were not ready. So we commenced this at the start of this year, and we have started with the excavation. The building, how the building is, this is the not a, it's just a tutorial block. Okay. And sorry. Now, according to how you can see it, this is how the building is. It is. Okay. It's like this way. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is we have the auditorium here, and that's lower edge. Okay. See, this one is where because it will be the lowest part. Okay. We have started with this. Okay. We intended to start with this, but the rock is very hard. Okay. So and our machine was not able. We are now changing to the breaker. Okay. So we saw because of time we have started the other block. But we have got the breaker. Okay. It's coming, but this area we are getting from Longoria. Okay. So maybe by tomorrow it will be around so that we can be able to break the rock here and start this unit. Yeah.
That is where we are standing now.
No. Here we are standing here
okay.
At the center.
Okay.
There is that unit. There is a big open space, and then there is this block. This block is like 3 levels. That's it. But on the one, because it's auditorium, it's 2 levels. And then the other part, we have only 2 floors. Okay. So it will be higher. Okay. But this side will be 3 floors.